Every journey has a beginning, and mine started with a cup of Bangalore's famous filter coffee and a flight to Delhi.
Through at the demonstration phase, छेड़छाड़ करना एक दंडनीय अपराध है क्योंकि ये विमान की सुरक्षा को प्रभावित करता है.
I knew I was about to be a part of something far bigger than a motorcycle ride. ASC mess, officers mess, beautiful ambience of this place. And tomorrow we are going to start the ride tomorrow in the morning at 5:30. Today was our flag off by Defense Minister. It's very exciting. Everything was too exciting. So that's the mess, and the rooms I'm staying right behind us. Home before the expedition was the iconic ASC mess, rich in military traditions. It had welcomed generations of soldiers and officers who had served the nation with honor. Walking through its corridors, you could almost feel history etched into every wall. Proud moment for me, really. I'm part of the Kargil bike ride again for the third time, and this time we are taking the Manali route. So something interesting to see. I think I'm going to do 3-4 passes. You know, every mess has got its own charm. Sacrifice of the armed forces, the dedication. Like a ride, kind of do something within you, you know, and transform you as a person and expand you in your mind and spirit. These kind of moments in life where you can appreciate what you've got and what people do for this country. Then came the moment we'd all been waiting for. 30 riders, one purpose, one journey. The Shaurya Vijay Yatra was about to begin. Hey! We reach early and preparations are on, cleaning is on. We park our bikes, take some pictures next to India Gate, generally absorb the vibes. Starting our ride today is a flag off with the Defense Minister coming and flagging us off from India Gate. So my journey for motorcycling today again to Ladakh is actually going to happen now. Bikes. We're going towards Ladakh. This is a Kargil ride with the army, and we got sponsorship from Java. So all our equipment and gear is from Java. We got new bikes just out of the factory. Imagine. So I got the SD Adventure. SD Adventure. India Gate. Ride begins. Sitting here, waiting. Flag off. We are here for the flag off, which is from Raksha Mantri. Delhi. Going up to Chindi Mandir, Dandi, Karu. Stay in Karu. Tangse, Razangla memorials, and then Galwan and Kargil.
आयोजन किया जा रहा है. 27 बाइकर स्पेस दल में भारत इधर पहुंचेगा और कारगिल स्मारक पर अपनी श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करेगा. श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी का थल सेनाध्यक्ष जनरल धीरज सेठ, परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल उत्तम युद्ध सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल की ओर से मैं कर्नल राजेश जिंदल हार्दिक स्वागत, हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। कई जोरदार तालियों से अभिवादन करें इन अद्भुत पलों का देवी और सज्जनों। पन्नू और सूबेदार विजय इस फ्लैग को ग्रहण करते हुए आप सबकी बताना चाहूंगा कि माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी के करकमलों से ये राइडर फ्लैग ग्रहण करना इस विजय यात्रा को और यादगार बनाता है, क्योंकि हमारे रक्षा मंत्री जी ने स्वयं मोटरसाइकिल के रोमांच को जिया है, और वो भी किसी नेशनल हाईवे पर नहीं, बल्कि गृह मंत्री के रूप में झारखंड के घने नक्सल प्रभावी जंगलों।
जनरल, सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको कारगिल विजय के उपलक्ष्य में आयोजित इस शौर्य विजय यात्रा के लिए हार्दिक बधाई भी देता हूं और साथ ही साथ आपको शुभकामनाएं भी देता हूं। आज का यह अवसर मोटरसाइकिल एक्सपेडिशन वो हरी झंडी दिखाने भर का नहीं, बल्कि उस अदम्य भावना को नमन करने का है जिसके चलते हमारे वीरों ने भारत की आन बान और शान के लिए अपना सर्वस्व समर्पित कर दिया।
As dawn broke over Delhi, our engines came alive. Ahead lay thousands of kilometers, towering mountain passes, and finally Kargil. We weren't chasing destinations, we were carrying a tribute. Hey. Hey babe. This guy. That's mine. It's mine. Number 11. Number 11. My new tank bag getting fixed to the back of my bike with a little help from my rider friends. Tank bag, I'm not used to it. That's a weird thing. It's really huge for the tank. Good morning. Good morning.
सेकंड ग्रुप वाले कौन कौन है? 12 से 22 यू आर फर्स्ट।
I'm the last one in the group. All information about our ride captains and our groups and how we're going to ride and the area we're going to ride in. Flagged off from the National War Memorial at India Gate, we rode not merely across highways but through the pages of India's military history. Victoria. Shahdabad.
Adventure bike.
Yeah.
And now we stop to we'll have breakfast here, take a break,
Yeah.
recharge, rejuvenate, and then be on the road again.
You. Breakfast. Hopefully it should be good. I have my, I felt that thing was really high and I'm not used to a tank bag. So it was feeling a little odd. I just have to get used to it. So I tied it up at the back. Hungry? Yeah. I want to have a lassi. Gulshan Dhaba. Yeah. This is Gulshan Dhaba. Our tables are reserved. I sometimes सारा खाना आया नहीं अभी तक, हम भूखे हैं, सब खा रहे हैं, हम लोग नहीं हैं, हमको नहीं मिला।
हम लोग पूरी नजरों से देख रहे हैं।
हाँ, ये सबको मिल गया। देखो ये लोग ने पता नहीं क्या किया है, रास्ते से ही सीटी मारते हैं, बोला हमें हमारा खाना रेडी रखना।
किसको सीटी मारती
इसका वेटर तो yeah. That's it. We're all group sitting and having 30 of us. Come. Yeah, वो ना बहुत मजा आ गया। बढ़िया, thank you. Without मक्खन, you cannot have parathas.
देखो कम दिया है,
बहुत कम दिया है। ये बहुत कंजूसी से देता है सब कुछ।
ये आधी कटोरी डाल दो।
इतना नहीं, और थोड़ा सा
Leave.